9 divided by 3, open parenthesis, 2 plus 1. We know that 2 plus 1 is 3. So our new expression becomes 9 divided by 3. We're going to replace this parenthesis by a multiplication sign. So at this level, we have 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9, and our new expression becomes 9 divided by 9, and 9 divided by 9 is equals to 1. So this is what many people are going to do, but this method is completely wrong. To solve a math problem like this one, there's another you have to follow called PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. We need to know that multiplication and division are having the same rank, so they are solved moving from left to right. Addition and subtraction also are having the same rank, so we solve them moving from left to right. So now that we know this, we're going to erase this, and we're going to do what should be done here. So when you have an expression like this one, first you start with what is inside the parenthesis. So we'll come here. Are we having parentheses here? The answer is yes. These are the parentheses. So the first thing to be done here is to solve what is inside the parentheses. We have 2 plus 1. This is equals to 3. We're going to copy this part of the expression, that is 9 divided by 3. And remember that these parentheses can be replaced by a multiplication sign. So this is our new expression, 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. At this level, some people will come and do this expression before doing this expression. This is completely wrong. If you solve the multiplication here before solving this division, then you get the wrong answer. Remember that we said that multiplication and division are having the same rank. So we have to solve this moving from left to right. So first you start with this multiplication, this division, that is number 1, and you come to the multiplication number 2. That's what we're going to do here. So as we said, we start with the division. 9 divided by 3, this is equals to 3. We'll copy this part of the expression. We'll take this down here. 3 multiplied by 3, and we all know that 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. So this is the corresponding value for this expression. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more videos like this one.